500 million years ago, a creature swam through ancient oceans with 3 eyes, knife-like claws, and a body built like a tank, and it vanished without a trace, until now. We're not talking dinosaurs. We're going way further back, to a time when Earth's surface was unrecognizable, alien, and hostile. But here's the kicker. Scientists just uncovered fossils so pristine, they not only rewrote what we thought we knew about evolution, but they also revealed something so bizarre it left even seasoned paleontologists speechless. One scientist described it as a creature so strange it feels like it shouldn't exist. Why would a predator need a third eye? Was it for hunting, communication, or something far more unexpected? And how did this nightmare of the Cambrian survive long enough to leave behind clues we're only now beginning to decode? Strap in, because we're about to unlock the secrets of a 500-million-year-old mystery that might just change how we view life on this planet. Meet Stanleycaris hirpex, a creature so alien it could have swum out of a sci-fi horror film. Recently discovered fossils from the Burgess Shale in British Columbia have revealed it in astonishing detail. Picture this, a 20-centimeter-long predator with 3 eyes, frontal claws lined with spines like serrated knives, and a tubular mouth that twisted as it consumed prey. It belonged to a group called radiodonts, distant ancestors of arthropods, the group that includes insects and spiders. But this wasn't just another weird fossil. What made this discovery groundbreaking was the preservation of its brain and nervous system, a miracle in paleontology. For the first time, scientists could see the inner architecture of a Cambrian predator's head, including 2 distinct brain regions, and right above its head, clear as day, a massive third eye. But why? Here's where things get wild. Researchers believe that third eye may have been used to detect light changes from above, possibly alerting it to larger predators, or maybe prey, coming in from the sunlit waters. Others think it played a role in hunting strategy, helping the creature triangulate its next kill. But that's not all. These fossils also revealed segmented nerve clusters, suggesting a more complex nervous system than previously believed. In other words, Stanleycaris might have been smarter and more agile than any of its contemporaries. Could it be that this predator was one of the first to display the evolutionary groundwork for a central brain? And if so, did it pass on that architecture to the insects and crustaceans we see today? But before we answer that, we need to ask, what else is hidden in the Burgess Shale? Stanleycaris isn't just a fascinating relic. It's a portal into deep time. A whisper from a world where vision itself was being invented, where predators were evolving not just sharper claws, but better minds. And that third eye? It forces us to reconsider what intelligence and adaptation looked like in Earth's early history. Could this be the beginning of brain evolution? Could the nervous systems we rely on today, our ability to feel, think, and even dream, have roots in this tiny ocean killer? One thing's clear, evolution didn't follow a straight path. It twisted through strange forms, bizarre experiments, and creatures like Stanleycaris that defied every rule. And here's the most haunting part. For every fossil we find, there are thousands we'll never uncover. What other monsters, thinkers, or survivors are still buried beneath our feet? Next time we're heading even further back, to investigate a worm-like creature scientists think may be the first animal to have ever lived. That's right, the possible origin of all animals, including us. But beware, it's weirder and more controversial than anything you've seen yet. So if you thought a 3-eyed sea beast was strange, just wait until you see the next video. Hit subscribe, because the ancient world is about to get even stranger.